cooking your food over garbage. With the breaking of the bread and the raising of the dead, I heard a woman screaming. It was all in my head. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Day of the dead, I never knew what a perfect life I had till I met you. You're a serpent in red, temptations abound when you're walking in my head on the day of the dead. On another day, as while the hours away, job that keeps my sanity, keeps the wolves at bay. Day of the dead, I never knew what a perfect life I had till I met you. You're a serpent in red, temptations abound when you're walking in my head on the day of the dead. It's a lonely life I keep, only talking when I sleep, lashing out at those who done me wrong, till my vengeance now I reap. I woke up to see the hall, empty room and empty wall, a life devoid of anyone but me. No one to hear my desperate call. Day of the dead, I never knew what a perfect life I had till I met you. You're a serpent in red, temptations abound when you're walking in my head on the day of the dead. Day of the dead, I never knew what a perfect life I had till I met you. The serpent in red, temptations abound when you're walking in my head on the day of the dead. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much.